Happy Pride Month! June is such a special month for me because it's exactly about how many years ago? 23, 7 years ago. 7 years ago I came out as lesbian, and honestly, so happy. I can't believe it's been 7 years. I remember it on this month. I remember how scared I was to come out and how I had no idea how my life was going to turn out. Like, I had so many fears. Let's chat here on the floor because that's where I feel most comfortable, just having a little chat with you guys. But yeah, I used to have so many fears, like, what are my friends gonna think? What are my family gonna think? What am I gonna be able to find love? You know, like, am I gonna be able to get married? Am I gonna be able to start a family? Which is going to be a topic for another day on this vlog, because yeah. But it's like, it's so crazy. It's been 7 years and so much has happened in those 7 years. And if you are someone who's recently come out or feeling like wanting to come out but you're scared, let me just tell you that it's been the best thing ever. And yes, you will find happiness, and yes, if this is what you want, to, you know, to get married, you can get married, because girl is married. I'm married. I can't believe it's been almost 1 year since me and Ami got married. That's insane. Insane. Today I'm going to do a fun makeup look. I'm gonna do like kind of pink Barbie inspired look just because I feel like it. I'm gonna do a video for that on TikTok, and then I'm also gonna do an outfit video, and then lunch, I have no idea, but I really feel like having some sushi or like some sort of like raw fish. I'm gonna ask her if we can go to our closest Japanese store that sell fresh sashimi, and maybe we could do like a little sushi bowl because I really miss it. This is my look before I take it all off and forget. So I've just done a really pinky makeup with some rhinestones. I put these accessories on by my friend Lenore Mello. She makes the best accessories. And then so I have this top, and I've layered it with this dress, and then this, and then also I put this belt on. It looks a bit better when, let's see. I don't know, man, I'm just loving like this whole fairy core vibe aesthetic. We are off now to go buy sushi, avocado, cucumber. I've also changed. I'm in this Kusio top and a little white dress underneath this. And I've just uploaded a new TikTok. So that's done. And my beautiful wife is waiting for me. We are back from our shopping. Let me show you what we got. First of all, we got here some salmon roe. Just about 50, no, half of 50, 25 grams. That was about £4.50. We have here 100 grams of salmon and 100 grams of tuna, and it was about £21.90. But this whole meal that we're making is going to last us for lunch and dinner. So about £10 for lunch and £10 for dinner. For 2 to 3 people is not bad. Then you're also going to need some cucumber and some ripe avocados. Now usually we have cream cheese, but I forgot to get it, so we're not going to have cream cheese. Also, we have here some crab sticks. So imitation crab sticks. They're really good to put in also into your like sushi rolls as well. So first things first is I'm going to prepare the rice for Ami to help me, because she's the one that's teaching me how to do this, because I actually don't know, but I felt like I wanted to do it. So let's get started. So that was about 2 cups of rice, and I just put 1 cup in there. This is what we're using. Sushi seasoning vinegar. Here's my queen. helping me. First, I'm gonna make this spicy crab stick. First thing is, let's unwrap these and we're going to, make it like this. Sriracha mayo. Cut like so it's gonna be easier. How thin do I cut it? See, hey, from there. That's enough to moment of truth. Wow! Just spread the rest on this thinly. Make it slim so you can. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Ta-da! Not bad for my first. So good. Falling apart a little bit. I've just received some gifts from Virtue Labs. That's so exciting. Thank you so much, people at Kilpatrick. This is so cool. Let's take out the products and see what we have inside. By the way, this is not sponsored. This is just gifted items. So let's see. First of all, we have a card here and it says, as promised, please see enclosed the Virtue products for you to try. So excited! Firstly, out of the box, we have here the Virtue 6-in-1 styling paste, which is gonna be so fun for me to do my hair. Look at that texture. There's a little circle in there. That's gonna be so fun to do my hair. Cannot wait to try it. Next up, we have a conditioner. That will be really good. Oh, that smells divine. And then we have a full shampoo as well. A texturizing spray. That's also going to be really good for me to like style my hair. Wow, they sent me so many things. A debrassing shampoo. That's going to be really perfect actually for Ami because she does have blonde hair. Last but not least, yes, volumizing mousse. This is exactly what I was hoping I could get as well. This is going to be really good for my hairstyling because I do use mousse a lot. We have a problem. My shower hose is broken, therefore I can't actually take a proper shower. So you and I are gonna go fix it together. Okay, so we are in my bathroom. The things that I need are a new shower hose. I got one of these pliers so that I can actually unscrew it. And we have some rubber gloves to see if I can do it by hand first. So wish me luck because I've never done this before. Oh my god, I did it. I actually did it. I did it. Ami's going to be a bit pissed off that we bought the pliers because we didn't need it. Let me just shout it to her. I don't know how close this camera is. Step number 2, we have to install this. Let's do it. Hooray, a new shower hose. This one's longer. How exciting. That's why our shower wasn't working for a long time. like properly. Let's try it out. Hooray! I'm currently making the snack before dinner. Well, it's like a starter. I'm making chijimi, which is a Korean seafood pancake. Oh, I did it.